In this video, we'll explore the sources that are available to you to acquire funding for your research project, for your research collaboration. As university funds are limited, academics are generally required to scout and apply for additional funding in order to conduct larger research projects. National research agencies, often tied to the Ministry of Culture and Education, or more rarely to the Ministry of Economic Affairs, offer a myriad of funding schemes. These schemes generally include personal research grants and specific grants to foster collaborative research. Collaborative research involving several partners. Personal research grants, the name already tells you so, are person-focused and allow a given laureate to build his or her research group whilst focusing on any given research topic. Grants to foster collaborative research require the participation of 2 or more partners, sometimes from within academia, but more often, and increasingly so, without outside partners, non-academic partners. On top of that, both national agencies and international organizations like the European Commission offer funds for research on specific topics that are usually related to societal issues, such as trust decrease in governmental institutions, problems related to migration, questions of citizenship or illiteracy. It is not easy knowing exactly which funds are available to you, and the application processes can be quite arduous. And that's why most universities hire specialists, like research facilitators or grant advisors, such as myself, to assist their academics in their bid for research funding. These specialists are familiar with most of the funding goals, the formal requirements for participation, and the policies underlying these goals, and that's a quite important aspect. In addition, they can assist academics in practical matters, for example by proofreading applications, suggesting potential partners, or, importantly, by ghost or co-writing certain, often rather technical and administrative parts of complex applications. At Leiden University, research grant advisors also support Leiden academics in less visible, yet perhaps even more important ways. They partake in formal and obviously also in informal lobbying sessions, pushing national and European funding agencies or governmental organizations to prioritize specific fields of inquiry that are most important or promising to Leiden-based academics. In addition to these politically inspired national and international funding opportunities, there are of course numerous private funds, foundations and organizations that offer research funding or in-kind funding. Think of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, a very important and very famous example. Or think of research institutes with their own research interests and related calls for funding applications, such as the Getty Institute in Los Angeles, very important for especially research in the humanities and in the arts. In the next video, we'll get into the pros and cons of public-private partnerships. I hope to see you then again. Thank you for your attention.